Upon exiting Restoration Hardware, I discovered this, a wheelchair lift. It is a Garaventa with these kind of interesting pictures. Wow, this is interesting. Door closes when I shut it. I like that. Elevators in Massachusetts. I don't think you ever found this one. 11 feet per minute, 750 pounds. No freight, 340 kilograms. Instructions. That being said, let's take a ride. See, it's dead man's control. Let go. See? It stops. My first wheelchair lift filmed, so this makes it even more cool. Awesome. I just stumbled upon this upon exiting. See? There's the main entrance to Restoration Hardware. Here's the cab. It's basically tall enough for one wheelchair and one attendant. Here's your instructions. No freight. Let's go back down. I like this Dewhurst fixtures with the big bump. Anyways, I like the Dewhurst fixtures. This is my first Dewhurst fixtures with the rubber things. Shaky. As we all know, these wheelchair lifts are quite questionable. And we have a plop level now. Alright, let's take one more ride, and then that'll be it. I think that's like the emergency stop right there. I'm not sure when this was installed actually. I think maybe the couple years ago. This looks pretty new. Watch it level. Awesome. That's the stairs. This is basically handicapped access. Alright, let's go back down. Big bump. Jeez, this thing's bumpy. Typical wheelchair lift. Watch it level. And that's awesome. My first wheelchair lift filmed. There it goes, and big bang on the door. Let's take a look at the shaft. It's still a very small distance. That's the second landing. And I want to show you I'll demonstrate the outside station. See? See? That's pretty much all it does. And then it just unlocks. These new slides. And I guess all I have to say now is that's it.